Do you know on your Galaxy A56, you can enter split screen by 2 different ways, and then at the same time, you can work with 2 different apps simultaneously. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. So the first way is from the app switcher. To enter split screen, make sure at least one of the apps is on your app switcher. So what you're gonna do is just tap on this app switcher, and when you find the app, simply tap on the icon and then tap on open in split screen view. All the other apps from our app switcher will appear. You can also scroll down and find the second app, or you can just tap on this app button and find the second app from here. When you find it, simply tap on it. While you're on split screen, you can tap in the middle and swipe up and down to expand or shrink another window. If you tap on this 3 dot at the middle, you can switch their places. Also, you can start any frequently used app combo either on your home screen or your app's edge panel. So you can easily understand about home screen. But if I add it on my app's edge panel, as you can see, if I swipe left my edge panel, there is my saved split screen. All I gotta do is just tap on it to enter. You can also enter split screen by finger swipe, but first you gotta enable that. For that, open up settings, scroll down for advanced features, to multi-window, and just turn on swipe for split screen option. So whenever any app is open, you want to instantly turn on split screen, all you gotta do is just simply swipe with the 2 fingers from the bottom edge of your screen. It will enter split screen. You can then add apps in there, switch between them, and use other functions exactly as we have shown you in this video. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.